I didn't really think much of it when we first got it, but now I'm thinking, has this been removed, stopping power going to the fuel or even the spark? So now I'm just checking up to see where that fuse has actually come from.
That left-hand side, B5, is missing a fuse. On this that I'm reading here, B5 is a 20 amp
Fuel pump
relay. So if that's not in, that ain't getting no fuel.
So now we're going to put this fuse back into where we think it should have gone, and maybe now the car will get fuel.
This is weird because that fuse was just sitting in the car.
Okay, definitely got a misfire because it stinks of fuel now. But someone's moved that fuel pump relay.
Why someone took that out?
The fuel pump fuse. Obviously to stop someone from starting it and wrecking the engine, probably.